bit.
Well, we've got two nice things eventually on that 7-day forecast.
Okay.
60s sound great. We just have a little ways to get there. It does look mostly dry up until middle of next week, so we're looking forward to that. Take a look at temperatures though in the next 2 days. We're 10 degrees below normal. It doesn't sound bad until you add the factor of the wind in tomorrow because it comes so gusty out there. You're going to feel more like the 30s and maybe freezing by middle of the afternoon. So the winds are really coming up. We are warmer though. Looking ahead through early next week into middle of next week, it's going to be comfortable. Talking about temperatures though, next couple of mornings tumbling. Low 30s tomorrow, not bad, but with the wind chill, we'll feel like the 20s to start your day, then 19 early Saturday morning, maybe even a couple of degrees below that as the winds may stay up just enough, about 5 miles an hour by Saturday morning. Scattered showers here are rolling out to the east, and that trend is to take most of this moisture east because we've got a cold front that's rolling in from the north and west. Heaviest of the rain is starting to wind down for us, and as it moves over the Sandhills from Fayetteville, you can see heavier showers along 95. Here we've got 44 degrees at Winston-Salem, and a little wintry precipitation may still mix in. We could see some wind snow, the kind that doesn't really stick to the ground or accumulate much, but could cause some precipitation to fall on your deck steps and cause it to be slippery. So please use extra caution around your house tomorrow morning, or if you're driving out there, upper elevations, the bridges, overpasses, anything that's left over could be, of course, causing some black ice concerns. Low 40s right now. We've been holding there for most of the day, and temperatures combined with those chilly rains, we've got rainfall totals anywhere from 1/4 of an inch up to about 1/2 an inch in a few spots. So still wet weather, some ponding here earlier within the last hour. Things are improving. You can see wet roads and even possibly some slick spots developing on the western foothills. So we want you to be extra cautious tomorrow morning. Talking about that black ice in spots tomorrow morning. It's hard to see, right? As we talk about those cold conditions, the temperatures dipping to 26 degrees. Winds are going to gust at times tomorrow, 35 to 40 miles an hour. Of course, elevation will increase your wind speeds there, but 31 degrees and good sunshine. We've got temperatures in the foothills near freezing tomorrow morning, all the way to 42 degrees. And with the winds already starting to gust after your sunrise, well, you're going to feel like the 20s getting going tomorrow morning. So make sure the kids have hats and gloves. And if you have to stand at the bus stop or walk to work or be outside working tomorrow, it is going to be really brutal. Please be prepared for those winds. They're going to gust to 25 Trident foothills. Temperatures at 43 degrees. Here comes that trough and cold air rushing in behind our cold front tomorrow. You see it by 5:01 tomorrow morning. It still looks like we're cloudy. We've got some fog conditions that may have set up between 7 though and 10. The winds are coming up. The front is passing through and it's rolling toward the coast. We start to clear very quickly around lunchtime, but mountains and foothills, you'll have already seen some clearing by then, and those temperatures start to plummet by late afternoon. So after 3 o'clock, I expect temperatures to actually begin dropping out there. Sunshine is in place, but those feels like temperatures, not so much fun tomorrow as the winds stay up even through late night. We'll feel like the teens by 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow night. It might be a night, to plan accordingly and grab some extra layers. You've got 59 degrees on Monday, 60 Tuesday and Wednesday, and those rain chances are going to return for Thursday with a rain chance of 30%, 56 on your Thursday afternoon. Still looking like a nice dry week, even though we started off on a cold note, at least for the weekend.